Hi, I'm Tushar Sunil Davalkar. I'm one of the co-founders of Leaping Frog Solutions Private Limited. We are a Microsoft Gold partner being into business for last 10 plus years. Our core strength lies into manufacturing implementation of Dynamics. The reason for that is my colleague Mr. Naveen Mahadule, who has expertise in Dynamics implementation specifically into manufacturing modules where the complex scenarios are a must requirement for the customers. Likewise, we got an opportunity to work for DNS Securon around 2 years back, and there were a lot of demos we did, lot of discussions we did.
Arnav Maheshwari here from DNH Sesharon, part of the promoter group that owns the company. We're a 56-year-old welding institution which manufactures the entire range of welding products and also engages in other service welding activities. We went into this journey for an ERP about 2 years back, where we evaluated multiple softwares. The main pain point we were facing was lack of availability of data, lack of speed of data, lack of transparency. And so we wanted to sort of move to a larger system, a modern system. And for someone like me, I think the first company that came to mind was Microsoft, and Microsoft's entire range of offerings, the way they seamlessly integrate. So when we studied Dynamics and we viewed Dynamics, did the demos, we were really convinced by the product and its native integration capabilities across platforms, its strong vendor base, its strong partner base, and the global idea that Microsoft is building towards under the leadership of their CEO. This gave us great confidence in selecting this product and this platform for us to build and lead our journey.
We know that in Dynamics there are various modules are there for the client, like the standard modules are all there, finance, sales, inventory, manufacturing, warehousing, all those there. But basically what happened, the Dynamics comes with the generic functionalities, and the product is very capable to manage the all kind of vertical processes. So what generally we do, basically we have a good experience from the manufacturing industry, and where we can configure and we can address the client pain areas by understanding their processes.
Then as we went into implementation, we had to select partners, and partner selection was a challenging process because we met multiple excellent partners. We had to do detailed interviews, plant visits, site visits, and it was a really tough choice, but I think Leaping Frog sort of shone throughout the entire process because of their ability to be transparent, their ability to be honest, their ability to be clean, and deal with us in complete honesty. This gave us a lot of confidence with working with them, and the team themselves, Mr. Naveen, Tushar, Manish, and the consultants working with them were able to come on site and win our users' confidence. This proved critical because what we learned about this whole activity as we went through the journey was it is as much about system as it is about change management, and the change management element was a place where Leaping Frog really did well. They were able to connect with the users, they were able to come in, be humble, work all night long, work till 4 in the morning on a regular basis to ensure we went live on the date we decided, and we started billing within a couple of days. This ensured that there were minimal hiccups and the process was extremely smooth in the implementation of this Dynamics platform.
If we talk about the DNH client at Indore, basically they have a problem how to track their production for multi-stages, and because they are into the welding electrode manufacturer, so their pain area is after the sales, if they are selling one particular box to their customer, they want to track back that particular box with the batch number information, back tracing till the raw material level. So using our capability, using our knowledge and capability and vertical knowledge especially, so we have done the kind of solutioning in the Dynamics Navision where they are generating daily 1,000 or 2,000 boxes inventory, and they are selling it to their customer very successfully. Along with this, we have configured the production module in such manner where they are getting the manufacturing cost along with the material cost also. Now this manufacturing cost, definitely they are entering the actual production runtime. So the facility which we have given in Dynamics, how user can quickly enter the production data from the shop floor. So this will ease their life, and they are getting whatever the expected result which they desire. Now if we talk about the DNH management, the management is always looking for the MIS reports. So definitely if the data is there in the system, we can pull out any kind of MIS reports. So that is happening at DNH. So their management is getting the real-time information about the inventory. They are getting the real-time information about the production activities, delays, scrap, and sample order tracking also along with that. And the quality, definitely the quality is one important area for them. So we have configured the quality processes as per their requirement in the Dynamics. So all the test certificate which is needed for FG item while dispatching goods to the customer. So these all documents they are getting directly from the Dynamics. So this was the fantastic experience for us also to do this implementation, and in future definitely for every opportunity we will try our best to providing the solution, what all kind of solution which client wants.
In hindsight, feedback I would give would be we need to be more structured, and no matter how much you prepare for an ERP implementation, you're always flying in blind at the end and you're always troubleshooting. But I was blessed and my company was blessed to have partners like Leaping Frog with us, Tushar's team, Naveen's team and Manish's team working with us side by side, day to day, night and night, to put together a phenomenal ERP implementation, which we hope will reap huge dividends in the coming years and to expand on its capabilities. Thank you.
Thank you so much, and I would like to have a special thanks to the management team of DNH along with the ERP implementation team who stood by us during the hard times. I know it's not easy to be awake till 4 o'clock in the morning during the go live phases, and thank you so much everyone at DNH to be supportive towards our team members. Thank you so much for your hospitality as well. Thank you.